The first way to become rich in a recession is invest in stocks. Every investor wants to buy low and sell high. In a recession, bargain hunters may have an opportunity to take advantage of stock market downturn. The S&P 500 has fallen for 3 consecutive quarters. This is a time that some will run away, but it is a great way to go shopping on a budget. Think of it as a Black Friday deal. Focus on companies that can thrive during a recession, not just stocks that are cheap. Warren Buffett, for instance, loaded up on shares of food giant Kraft Foods, which later merged with Heinz to create Kraft Heinz, and electric utility NRG Energy during the Great Recession of 2011. According to Hartford Funds, the S&P 500 actually gained 3.7% on average during the 13 recessions since 1945. You don't need a lot of cash to start investing. Some investing apps like M1 allow you to buy fractions of shares with as much money or as little as you're willing to spend. It's one of my favorite investing apps. I'll leave a link to it below. The second way to become rich in a recession is to start your own business. Starting a business is not for everyone, but according to The Economist, 47% of millionaires are business owners. Entrepreneurship is not easy, and starting a business in a recession when other companies are shutting down can seem impossible. Going on the path less traveled has its advantages. Charles Godet, CEO of business consultant and coaching agency Predictable Profits, put it like this: right now is the time to take advantage of an open field. Your competitors are pulling back, spending less money on marketing and advertising. When there's less competition, you have a better chance of establishing a position in the market. Of course, if you're not ready to quit your job and go all in on a business idea just yet, think about starting a side hustle first. If you're enjoying this video, then hit the like button. The third way to invest during a recession and become rich is in real estate. As the recession deepens, real estate becomes an increasingly attractive investment opportunity. A recession does not necessarily mean property prices will drop. However, one specific factor could stall the upward movement of prices: interest rates. And we all know how those could move. To combat spiking inflation, the Fed is raising its benchmark interest rates aggressively. Higher interest rates are bad news for real estate. When the cost of borrowing is high, it makes people think twice about getting a loan to purchase a home or investment property. Real estate mogul Sam Zell, also known as the Grave Dancer, made a fortune from buying properties when no one else wanted to. In 1973, when the economy fell into a recession, the real estate market tumbled as many loans went into default. In that environment, Zell was able to acquire a portfolio of high-quality properties at a significant discount. If you've been eyeing investment properties in recent years, a recession-driven pullback in prices might provide a good entry point. Getting into the real estate game is easier than ever now, no matter what your budget is. You can invest in REITs, house hack, or even take part in some real estate crowdfunding. The fourth way to be rich in a recession is to take advantage of the lower interest rates. Now, refinancing some of your loans and getting a lower interest rate won't make you a ton of money, but it will free up money for you to invest in the previous 3 ways I've already mentioned. There is no magic formula to getting rich quickly, whether it's investing in stocks, real estate, or starting your own business. It's important to do your own research and evaluate your financial situation first. You should always make wise money decisions. Thanks for watching.